Hello. So you might be as curious as I am, and you might have installed the new public beta version of Adobe Illustrator. And if you have, then you should try this. Just draw an open path and let's style it. I'm going to apply a fat stroke and like this, a bright color. And then what you can do in the stroke panel, you see these two buttons that weren't there before. And when you click on them, then you see the stroke changes the alignment on an open path. This is not a closed path. What more can you do with that? So you see there are no arrows, which is kind of logical because they would need to switch as well, and that might be a little tricky. But what you can apply are gradients. So you can set this to a gradient, not to these two, but normal gradients. Now, if you actually need arrows on that, and if you need these two, then you will need to use the old method of applying a stroke to the side of a path, which goes like this. So I'm just going to duplicate this so we can compare. Let's set this to center. And in order to get this to one side, let's start with a straight line. And on that straight line, you use the width tool, double click here, and set this to 1 and 0. And then double click here and set this to 1 and 0 as well. So you do this on a straight line because then you do not risk to have any random width points in between. So this is clean and straight. And you can actually save it. So save it here, and then you have that width profile. It's now ready and it's saved application-wide. So you don't need to do this in every new document. And now we can select this one and then apply that width profile. You can also change it to the other side by using the stroke panel, and there it can be mirrored like so. You see the arrows are active, but in order to have arrows on that, you need to make custom arrowheads that are shifted as well. So there is the arrowhead file in the application folder, and there you can change that. And then also you can set up the different gradients for this one. Yeah, but for just the normal needs you might have with aligning your strokes, that new function is of course awesome. Try it out, check out the beta.